Fix can't sign in, log into Forza Horizon 6 on PC. Fix Forza Horizon 6 sign-in issue on PC. 1. Restart your PC and Xbox app. Close Forza Horizon 6 completely. Restart Xbox app and your computer. Try signing in again after reboot. 2. Check internet connection. Use stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Restart your router if connection is unstable. Disable VPN or proxy services temporarily. 3. Sign out and sign back into Xbox app. Open Xbox app. Sign out from your Microsoft account. Sign back in using the correct account. 4. Check Xbox server status. Verify if Xbox services are online. Wait if servers are under maintenance. Try signing in later if outage. Repair Xbox app and gaming services. Open settings. Apps. Installed apps. Repair Xbox app from advanced options. Do the same for gaming service. 6. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows R. Type wsrreset.exe and press Enter. Wait for Microsoft Store to reset. 7. Sync date and time settings. Open date and time settings. Enable set time automatically. Restart your PC afterward. 8. Update Windows fully. Open Windows Update settings. Install all available updates. Restart your computer after updates. 9. Allow Xbox app through firewall. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Allow Xbox app and Forza Horizon 6. Also whitelist them in antivirus software. 10. Reinstall Xbox app or game. Uninstall Xbox app or Forza Horizon 6. Restart your PC completely. Install fresh versions and try signing in